Gates open, they're up and racing. New chapter draws for your lead. Ziglag, Bullseye, sorry outside. Golden Class comes next by the rail nose west, and they're running alongside Si Patrol, while Yotero is running at the tail of the field past the last 800. Two runners fighting it out for the lead. New chapter, Bullseye, Golden Class now getting closer in third as they rounded the last 600. New chapter, Golden Class moving up on the outside and now grabbing the lead. Golden Class takes the lead over New Chapter in second, Bullseye in third, and moving up is entry number 2, Nose West. As they turn for home, we have Golden Class over New Chapter now by about 3 lengths. Running now in third is Nose West, Si Patrol with 150 meters more to run. Golden Class with Rapi Silandaya now stretching the lead to about 7 lengths. And finally, Golden Class, New Chapter, then comes Nose West, Si Patrol, Yotero, number 1, Ziglag, and Bullseye comes in last.